A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Question. You ever wonder how inside of the Israel people them temple did look? The ears say it did nice and big and pretty. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you not do it yet, do it now. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today, we are going to read from the letter to the Hebrew them, chapter 9, from verse 1 to verse 10. Now, the first plan where God did make did have rule about how people for worship him and about the tent where people for worship, where people make. Them put up one tent for worship God. And after you go through the first curtain, you did the in the holy place. In this, so you did have one lampstand and the table with the special bread where the priest take give God. And back at the second curtain, you did have the tent where they call the holiest place. In this, so you have the altar we make out of gold. This, so them burn one spice where smells sweet. You did have the box too, where stand for the promise where God make. That did cover all over in a gold. The box there have in the jug where did all manna where God did give them for yam. Aaron water thick where leaf did grow up and did in there too. And the two stone them where God ruled did right upon did in there with the rest of sitting them. Over the gold box, you did have the sitting them where they call cherubim. We come in like picnic with wing. Them sitting there did show say God did this up. And them wing stretch over the place where God pardon sin. But we can't talk about all the nitty-gritty. Yes, so. So, when the things set up so now, the priest them would have come in at the first part of the tent, all the while, come do them priest work. But only the leader for the priest them one can go past the second curtain where the inside of the tent. And only one time for the ear, him wouldn't do that. Him never go and not take animal blood with him. Him would have give God that for film sin and for the wrong sitting them where people do and not even sister them do. The Holy Spirit did a show. Say the way to get in at the real tent, the holiest place, nay open up yet. So longs the old tent, the one per earth did still a use. The tent per earth, I want sign we show where did I go on that time there. It shows say all of the gift and sacrifice where people used to carry go give God when them a worship him couldn't set them conscience free. Them sitting there did only deal with what people for yam and drink and the different way they can clean up themselves. All of them rule there. We only tell you about how people for do things and we not tell you nothing about people art. them only go last till the time come to set things right. That are when the new plan come in and change things round. And God want this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.